Namaskar, I am Devanshu and I am your yoga instructor at Cottage Nirvana. Sciatica is a pain that emerges from the lower back and then it runs through the buttocks and the leg. It can also make your leg feel numb. Sciatica is also a byproduct of sitting on chairs for a very long time. So people who have sitting jobs are prone to this disease. Adho Mukho Svanasana or the downward facing dog. As you exhale, give yourself a good stretch, looking at the navel. This is great for the spine. You can stay there for 30 seconds or so, or 3-4 breaths. Relax, easy. Bhujangasana or the cobra pose. Stay in this pose for about 3 or 4 breaths. Breathing easy. Shalabh Asana or the locust pose. You may stay in this position for about 4 or 5 breaths, giving yourself a good stretch, not being uncomfortable, but nice and easy. We'll now do the wind release pose or the Pavan Muktasana. You may stay in this position for 3 or 4 breaths, nice and easy, giving yourself a squeezy hug. A great pose to combat this problem, we'll do Kapotasana or the Pigeon pose. Again, stay in this pose for 3 or 4 breaths. The other feet, change of the feet. Veerbhadrasana or the warrior pose. The other foot now goes back. We now practice Urdhimatsendrasana or half lord of the fishes pose. Keep your spine as straight as possible, sitting on both the tailbones. Stay there for 4 or 5 breaths or 30 seconds. Give yourself a good stretch and be comfortable and easy. Same with the other feet. Back erect, sitting on both the tailbones. Give yourself a good stretch, nice and easy, for 4 to 5 breaths or so. This may look easy, but it actually is one of the most important asanas in the practice. Shavasana or the corpse pose. Every practice of yoga should be followed by this asana for at least 5 to 10 minutes for the benefits of each asana to soak in. Just a word of caution, these yoga postures should be practiced in the presence of a certified yoga instructor, or you may also consult a doctor before you start practicing yoga. Do the yoga postures regularly without fail. Don't be in a hurry to get into the final position. Remember, you get to the final position easily and slowly, and then finally, when you're able to accomplish it, you will find yourself that there are so many possibilities that lie before you. So come to Cottage Nirvana, let's get healthy together, let's have a greater and a more wonderful